What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the JBL Wave 300. Now, enough of me talking, let us just get started. Yeah, there we have it. As you can see, guys, this is the JBL Wave 300 TWS. It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of JBL product, and we're gonna just unbox it and see at the first glance what's happening throughout it, and is it well enough or it's just a gimmick. But overall, you know JBL, their products how they are, they're really legitimate. And enough of me talking, let us just get started unboxing it and see what's packed with the Wave 300. Yes, sir. So guys, we're gonna just unbox our bad boy here, the Wave 300 TWS. It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of buds. You can see here it offers you 26 hours of battery time. That means 6 hours on each kind of earbud and 20 hours throughout this charging case. So let us just peel it, you know what I mean. Woo! That's slick. Just see the colors, man. I like this kind of color. This is like a gray color, you can call it, like a certain color which is so cool, which has just like, man, I'm cool. You can see here, this is really kind of amazing. I really love the way they kept it. It's really kind of awesome. Now, before we just jump into this kind of bad boy, let us see what's packed inside. We can see there's a USB Type-C here. USB Type-C, it's really kind of enhanced. It's really kind of different with the other ones, which they're past, but this one, it's really kind of legitimate because I love the way they design it with the rounded shaping, and it's really kind of worth it. This is a really kind of good branding. I like it. Impressive, JBL. We're gonna just jump in toward our bad boy. As you can see, it looks really cool. Now, form factor wise, it's a plastic, and definitely this is like an ABS material, which it's a hard one, which it's really good. You can see here, and it's really kind of minimal. At the back, there's a USB Type-C port, which it's really kind of awesome. And you open it, you can see there how it is. You can just remove each kind of bud, but it won't work until we peel this kind of sticker. You can see there's a sticker here, so it won't do anything. So if you get this kind of bud at the first time, you just have to remove these kind of bad boys, so as you can be testing them throughout what's happening throughout or usage or many kind of stuff. So sometimes you might be getting them, and I saw it somebody just grabbed them and they didn't figure it out what's going on, but it's really kind of great throughout this kind of bud. So enough of me talking right now. I think we just have to test them and see what's goody about it. So yeah, so guys, right now we're gonna just test these kind of bad boys and experience them what's goody, because I'm really kind of pumped to see these kind of bad boys, what they have. And yeah, because I just want to experience something different. So right now they want me to pair, so I'm gonna just use our phone here as normal and try to pair through the phone. And there we are, JBL 300 TWS. It's just popping up right now, so we're gonna just pair it, and ladies and gentlemen, we're in. So it has like 20% of battery, so I think it's enough for us to just do the review and testing. Now I'm gonna play a certain music which it will be just a little bit like a little bit cool. So let me see, play Humble by Kendrick Lamar and see how much it is. Okay. Oh, so it has next, because actually it has a touch throughout here. You can just touch it and it gives you certain haptic feedback, but it does not vibrate or anything. It just, you know what's goody. You can pause, you can go next, you can do whatever you gotta do. You can even open the voice command if you want to, I think by holding it. Yeah, you can do it. Do anything whenever I'm just, I think it's just figuring it out how you can just tap it and experience. We're gonna just have a look at the manual. It's really kind of important to read the manual because it will give you much brief. So let's see throughout Waje and part of ranking. Okay, the music, it's really good. It's actually not that much bass, it's just decent, it's just way there, it's just not that much out loud. It's like from the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of bad boy, you might be scoring around 8, these kind of buds. So yeah, it's just way more there, not that much. But oh, right now it's working. So I think sometimes it's a bug, because I was figuring it out so many times how I can play. You can see, just check it out. If I touch it one time, it's playing. You just do it again. So sometimes, yes, there's a little bit of bugness throughout. I don't know, it's Spotify or these kind of buds, but I believe it's not the buds, it's just the music player. Sometimes it misbehave. So just go with that kind of vibe, you know what I mean? So it's really kind of awesome through this kind of JBL buds and their 300 wave, or you can call them the Wave 300 TWS true wireless sound, which they're really kind of robust. So yeah, as you can see, I kept on the microphone here. You heard the sound, it's really kind of vibrant, it's really good. The bass is not that much out loud like a certain freaking earbuds, but these kind of earbuds from JBL, they're really perfect fit. And as you can see on my ears here, if I keep them on my ears, they're really fitting really perfectly. To be honest, I really kind of enjoy the way they just fit. But the only downside through this kind of style is because sometimes they might be falling off. You know, the more it stays, it more sometimes falling off with that kind of sweaty, and it just goes here and it falls down. But this one, I think if you just keep them tightly here throughout your ears and keep them really fit like this way, this is how you're supposed to keep them, it will be really kind of awesome. You can see on this side too, you can try and pushing it this way just like that, and it stays perfectly. So you need to keep them this way so as it cannot fall. So even if I shake my head left and right, it won't fall off because they are staying really perfectly. So guys, that's what's up about the JBL Wave 300 TWS. Well, these kind of buds, they're really kind of awesome, but I know it's missing out some features, but overall they're really kind of great and amazing kind of buds out there, which you can get it at Gadgetronix. So the video today is sponsored by Gadgetronix for all your tech needs living in Arusha. Even if you're living in Tanzania, even if you're living outside Tanzania, you can get your gadgets throughout Gadgetronix, and you can visit them through their website, and you can get bunch of tech out there, which it's really kind of remarkable. So this kind of JBL Wave 300, it's really kind of great and amazing kind of product, and it gives you a deep bass sound, which that kind of bass sound, it's quite not that much bass, but it's moderated bass, which that kind of sound, you feel it and you enjoy it. It's not that kind of bass which you'll freak out, because you need a bass alongside the music or alongside a certain thing you're listening to be a little bit matching around. Because if the bass is just high up and the music is a little bit low, or the sound is a little bit low, well, it might be a little bit of problem. But this one, it's actually really perfect fit, and it's even fitting in your ears in a really kind of great way, and you're gonna enjoy it. And it gives you a 6 hours of battery time and a 20 hours back through this kind of small case, and they're really portable, and they're really easy to carry, and they're really great. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the earbuds. Are you thinking about the JBL 300 TWS, which the Wave? And yeah, that's what's up. So catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.